One of the things that I really like about QCon is the fact that, the people who are presenting here, by and large, are practitioners as opposed to authors, which is super nice. As a developer, you gain, that brings a lot of credibility because these people, yesterday and tomorrow are going to be doing the same thing you're doing, which is, solving problems in the real world. And I think that's super beneficial because they tend to have real world ideas about what they're doing as opposed to academic ideas.
QCon is actually very good because they're focused. Each topic that they talk about, they have different tracks, and one can choose to attend a particular track and gain a lot of in-depth knowledge about one track. So it helps someone choose a focus area and really focus on it. And the conference is also held in a location where it's very easy to move from one room to another. It's not spread out in a large area, so it's very convenient you don't spend too much time shuffling from one room to another. And the speakers themselves are actually very good. They are coming from industry, they have experience, developing these kinds of stuff. They're not theoretical, they actually have practical knowledge. And me and my team have been attending it since the last 2 years and we really love it.
The topics seem really in line with what we needed to learn. So I can't speak to the other, the other conferences, but this one has definitely got the right tone, and it's approachable for everybody, at any level of development and in any part of a software development process.
I think I like the mixture of the different tracks, the different focuses. There's enough topics to appease all kinds of IT guys, not just developers, but admins, build configuration managers. It's just been a plethora of topics that have been really insightful.
So number one is like the quality of the presenters, and they have a real-world experience as opposed to coming from more academic background. So they actually work on products that that perform very well, and everybody consider as great products. So it's always good to hear from those people.
There was a really good session on Kanban last night that was about managing requirements and then the units of work that come out of that. One thing that I found to be a big takeaway from the conference, not necessarily related to that specific problem, was the emergent high availability web architectures. I've been really enjoying that track. Most of our apps have been traditional three-tier web apps based on like an Oracle backend, scaling deep instead of horizontally. So the clusters of Memcache and CouchDB and this kind of thing have been really interesting to me so far.